All right, you have your clay? Okay, we're going to make a pinch pot today. So, you're going to take your clay, squish it like this into a ball shape, okay? And now roll it in your hands like this. Roll it.
Does this look like a ball?
Almost. Now you got to roll it like Mom was doing. Good job.
It doesn't look like a ball.
Let me squish yours just a little bit. Squish. Squish. Okay, now roll it. Now it's more ball shaped and you can roll it better. Remember, roll your top hand in a circle. Circle, circle, circle. Yeah. Okay, and then do on the table. Do circle, circle, circle. Good job. Okay, how's your ball looking? Let me see. Good. Keep rolling it. Roll it around in a whole circle like this.
Could you help me?
Of course. Here, you work on mine for a minute.
Yours looks great.
Thank you.
I want mine to look like yours.
It will. Okay, you roll yours a little bit more. I made yours a little smoother. And use your fingers. If you have big cracks and big dents, use your fingers to smooth them out like this. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Okay, are we ready? Okay.
I look like yours.
Yep, they look the same. Now take your thumb. Good. And stick your thumb into the ball like this. And push it down in. Don't go all the way through the bottom though. Okay? Good. Go down a little bit deeper. All right, there you go. Now, use your hand like a pincher. Can you show me your pincher? Good. Okay, put your thumb. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Put your thumb inside your hole. And then you're going to pinch on the outside like this. Pinch. And just pinch gently. Very gentle. And then turn your ball. And pinch again. And turn your ball.
Like this?
Yeah. And pinch again. And turn your ball. Pinch again. Turn your ball. Make sure your hand is nice and flat. Like this. Like a big pincher. Like that. Pinch and turn. And, okay, open your hand. Pinch and turn. And pinch and turn. Good. Keep going until you get a nice big hole in the middle, but don't make any holes in the pot. Good job. Keep going around and around. Pinch and turn. Be very gentle with your pinches. You don't want to pinch really hard. Very soft pinches. That's looking good.
Thanks. Looks like a hat.
It does look like a hat. Okay, let me see yours. Can I see?
Is my pinch pot done?
Oh my gosh, it looks great, Winston.
Thanks.
I love it. Nice job. And now we're going to do one last step. And this one you have to be kind of gentle, okay? Can you hold your pinch pot like I'm holding mine? Like this? Okay. Now take it, and we're going to gently tap it on the table like this. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap.
What?
Okay, now that's going to make a flat bottom so that it doesn't roll around on the table. There, yours looks like it's all set. Yeah, you got a nice flat bottom on there. Good, and now you can set it next to mine. And now our pinch pots are all done. You did so great, Winston.
What can we do with our pinch pot?
Now we're going to let them dry. And we're going to bake them in the kiln.
And
then what are we going to do?
play with them.
Well, after we bake them in the kiln, we're going to glaze them with colors.
And then we could put stuff in them.
And then we can put stuff in them. Won't that be great? Yeah. High five. You did great. High five. Yeah. Good job.